fragrance fam, my name is Katie and welcome to the AFI Project Lab. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make oil to milk shaving foam. You might have heard the term oil to milk pop up lately, but what exactly does that mean? Oil to milk cleansers and shaving foams have a moisturizing, oily base that turns into a soft and milky lather when applied with water. They're a lot of fun to use and really easy to make. If you want to add a high-end product to add to your line, try out today's formula and consider checking out our web store to pick up the fragrance I'm using today, Aurora Dawn. This is glycerol caprolate caprate, an emulsifier and emollient. Here I've got dimethyl myristamine, a gentle plant-derived surfactant. And finally, some BioSoft N411 from Step-In. It'll boost the bubbles in our shaving foam and make it feel smooth on the skin. So with all of those combined in a heat-safe beaker, I'm going to go ahead and pop it in the microwave to melt down all the solid ingredients. I'll check back with y'all in a minute. It didn't take long to melt down, so all you need to do is pour the emulsifier surfactant blend into your base oil and give it a thorough stir. With a bit of agitation, it should blend seamlessly. Now you can move on to the last steps. This formula doesn't need a preservative because it doesn't contain water, but having an antioxidant to keep it from going rancid before its use is a good idea. For that, I'll be adding in just a touch of vitamin E oil. That's all you need. And here is our Aurora Dawn fragrance. It's a great year-round scent, especially for high-end bath and body care products. Just smelling it makes me feel like I'm relaxing in a 5-star hotel room with notes of pear, jasmine, and cedar. Ooh, I love it. It smells like pure luxury. Okay. Anyways, add that in as well and give the mixture one final stir. If your beaker is still warm to the touch from the heated ingredients, give it some time to cool down to room temperature before filling it into a pump top bottle just like this one. This product is relatively thin, so pump tops are the best method of application so you can squirt a bit into your hands before using it. Finish off the bottle with a custom label and that wraps it all up. To use this oil to milk shaving foam, rub it in circles over the wet skin that you want to shave. The razor will effortlessly glide over the skin and the milky texture will leave your skin feeling so smooth. Not to mention, you'll be smelling amazing. So have y'all ever used an oil to milk product before? Let me know if you're curious to make them and try them. Feel free to drop any comments you have about today's video down below. For more content just like this, head on over to our channel or check out FragranceU.com for tons of free educational resources. Don't forget to snag one of our exclusive 10% off coupons on our weekly newsletter to get a discount on some of our top selling fragrance oils. As always, I'm Katie and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye for now!